Hi guys, it's your girl Ericka, Muana, and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it's been long. I haven't been on YouTube, guys, but I'm happy I'm back, and I'm back for you guys because just for the fact that you guys have been here with me and motivating me and keep pushing me through, I'm so happy to be back. I know we are in a new year and I didn't get the opportunity to be able to wish this new year early enough, but I'm here and I'm wishing you all a happy new year. The last year has been a very difficult one for all of us, but we thank God we were able to make it through to 2021. Guys, this year I'm bringing so much content. I'll be bringing in new content to this channel. So I've been like a little bit working on so many stuff. Your girl has been busy. I've been busy to the extreme. But anywho, I'm right here and I'm back and I'm ready to show you guys what I've got. So please stay tuned for my lovely subscribers, guys. I'm so happy for you guys. And for those who are watching me for the first time, you're welcome here. So for the first video for this year, I'll be showing you guys how to make bisap or folere. That's how they call it. In my country, we call it folere. In other parts of the world, they call it zobo, bisap, whatever you can call it, hibiscus drink, hibiscus tea, whatever you name it. But I'll be showing you guys how to do this drink. This drink is a very nutritive drink. It cuts down on the sugary content or the sugary stuffs you guys get from the grocery store. So you can make this particular drink a staple drink in your home. It's very healthy. The health benefits of this are so much, so good, so very nutritive. So guys, this is the first video I'm going to be sharing with you, and I'm so happy to be back with you guys. I'm so happy for the love and the support. Guys, we all need to stay strong. These times are very difficult times for each and every one of us, but I pray that we should be able to go through this year successfully, graciously, and miraculously, and that whatever dreams we've planned for ourselves, we should be able to attain those dreams and those goals. So guys, without wasting your time, let me get straight into the video. See you. So I'll just walk you through my ingredients. Yeah, I have black pepper, grains of selim or negro pepper. In other parts of the world, they call this Kaale. It has various names actually. Cloves, my ginger, I have it grated, pineapple, and finally my folere. I got this from nutispice.com. It's a very reliable website based in South Africa, guys. If you want spices, anything African spices and all the like, you could get that from them. They're a very good online store. And also I forgot to add for my sweetener I used sugar. You could use honey or whatever sweetener of choice. To proceed, I'll just go ahead by cleaning my pineapple. Most people don't like using the peels of the pineapple because of the pesticides used while growing this. You could omit it and go ahead with just the flesh of the pineapple, but since I like it with the peeling, of grown up using the peel, I see virtually nothing wrong in that. So I'll be using the peel and the core to make my drink. And some of the health benefits of these, guys. To begin, this is very easy to make, and also for those suffering from high blood pressure, this drink is going to help you lower your blood pressure, especially if you're using honey to make this. It's going to be good for you. And also it helps in boosting liver health. So it has so many benefits, but those are just some of the few I'm giving you guys. If you like, you could do your research on it before taking it. If you want to just go ahead and try something new, you could always try it. It's never bad to try. It's always good to try something new and see how it goes for you. So yeah, I have my pineapple peel on the skull. I'll just go ahead and put it in my pot. Depending on the quantity you want to cook, You could always use a smaller pot or a bigger pot, it depends on you. And here I'm washing my hibiscus leaves. I noticed that most of the time these leaves always come along with some sand in it. So in order to get rid of that sandy taste at the end, when you get in your drink, you have a sandy taste at the end. I always like to rinse mine. But if you don't want to rinse it, you could still cook it, and then when you're through with mixing and everything, you could go ahead and strain it using a cheesecloth. So I'm just putting it right in the pot, and I'll be adding in some water to the brim. If you've watched this far, guys, please don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't watched my previous video, try as much as possible to watch at least one video from there and give me a comment on what you think about the videos. So I'm going ahead to blend my spices. Here you could strain and get the chaffs, put them back in the blender, add some water, blend and strain again for the second time. But I don't really want to go through all that process, so I'm just going to use a concentrated spice mix as it is right now. Has been cooking for 40 minutes. I love mine to boil very well. Why? Because at times when you don't cook this well, it tends to have the tangy taste at the end. I don't want it to have the tangy taste. I want it to be very sweet and smooth in my mouth. I'm straining. And the next step after this is going to be very, very important. Take note of this step. If not, you wouldn't like this drink at all. So take note of what I'm going to tell you now. For the spice mix, you have to mix this gradually. Why? Because in order to have that beautiful taste and that aroma from this drink, you don't need to saturate it with the spices, because if you saturate the drink with the spices, you won't be able to drink it. The scent of the spices is going to be so strong, and the taste is going to be so awful, you wouldn't like it. So it's always advisable to put in gradually, taste it. If it's to your likeness, then you can stop. But if it's not, you could add and keep tasting. So you need to keep adding and tasting to see if you're satisfied with the end result. And I will be adding my sugar to make this sweet and smooth. I'm adding my sugar while it's still hot, because if I leave this to get cold, when I'll be coming to adding the sugar, I'm actually going to use double of this sugar in this drink, and I don't want that to be so. So we try as much as possible to keep the content of the sugar low. Or if you don't like sugar, you could go in with honey or whatever sweetener you used to. You could always put in the drink to make it sweet. Or some people even drink this bland. It's still good that way. I see nothing wrong in that. You could still drink it bland. So it's all actually according to preference, guys. And this is virtually the end of the steps. So easy to make, guys. Very, very easy. Your kids, in fact, you will love this, your kids will love this, your family house, everybody's going to love this. So if you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe and support your girl. I have a little hand in my I have a little hand in my pictures, guys. My son was like, "Mommy, you're wasting time, I'm hungry, I want to drink, I want to eat." And I'm like, hold on a little bit, I need to take my picture for my YouTube channel. You see the little hand? There he is. So guys, bye.